Hi everyone and welcome back. This is part 14 of the window restoration. In this video, I'll be working, as you can see, beginning with this, it's like a shelf. It looks like a shelf. It's a decorative shelf that is on the outside of the windows. At least, well, it's on all four top level of the outside windows. Um, I'm basically building this thing from scratch. It's kind of a complicated piece. Well, one, because I don't have all the parts that were originally there, because this window was in such bad shape, and there was so much wood rot. I'm having to. I only had like one side of this particular shelf to work from, and then I had to kind of figure out what was on the other side, which, you know, is basically the same thing, right? But it's been kind of a challenge, because another thing is that there isn't any. All the trim is different. You had these decorative trims from 250 years ago, and they're just not the same as today. So I got pretty creative in that I was able to go to Lowe's and take two different trims, put them together to form what was once used in the window, which I was very excited about. Although I would have been happy to perfectly buy a new tool because I am desperate need of a routing table. So I would have been very glad to do that. But being that I'm trying to save a little bit of money, this is probably the better route. So what you see me here doing is rebuilding that shelf, and then also the exciting part, you'll start to see me cutting out the oval pieces to the top of the window. That is very exciting because that means I am getting that much closer, everyone, to completing this window. I had to kind of take a little break because the jigsaw that I had wasn't working properly and it needed a new blade, but I did end up getting another one. So, anyways, that's what this video is all about, and I hope you enjoy. And thank you again for your support. And if you can, please share and yeah, that would be fantastic. All right, everybody, have a great day. Bye.